The reason why I needed a new roof is we're hoping to put my house on the market here in a couple of months. So I reached out to Guardian Roofing. It's been a phenomenal experience. They've been, one, extremely timely and responsive. Actually, the next day they got an appointment scheduled in the books for them to come do an examination of the roof. I wasn't available the next day, but they made a point to come after hours while I wasn't home and still do the examination. On top of that, I'm pretty sure the employee who came out was after hours, so I appreciate that he did that on his way home. And then the next day again, it was after 5 p.m. I assume it was past his working hours, but he still made a point to come by and meet with me and my fiance and discuss the roof. On top of that, I didn't feel pressure at all. I didn't feel like he was trying to upsell me. He knew exactly what I needed done. He addressed any issues, but he said everything in a way that made me feel like he's giving me a fair recommendation and he wasn't trying to oversell me or anything like that. He also helped me. I had no idea what colors and little accessories to choose, but he was very easy to help guide in terms of that. And again, I just didn't feel like I was getting swindled or anything like that. 10 out of 10, I would recommend Guardian Roofing to my friends and family. I just feel like I'm in good hands, and I'd like to think my friends and families would be too.